Your Windows boot time feels like a slow crawl. The culprit is usually a crowd of apps trying to start all at once. Today I'll show you how to clear that traffic jam and get your PC running at full speed in under 2 minutes. First, we're going to use the classic task manager. On your keyboard, just hit Ctrl, Shift, and Escape. Once this window pops up, look for the tab that says Startup Apps. If you see a tiny window, click on the More Details at the bottom that would show up around here. Over in the top right corner, you notice it says the last BIOS time. This tells you exactly how long it took your hardware to initialize. It's a great way to check a before and after. Now look at this list. Every enabled app here starts the second you log in. You see that Startup Impact column? That's your hit list. If it says high, that app is actively slowing you down. If you find one that you don't need, all you need to do is right-click it and select Disable. And don't worry, this doesn't uninstall the app, it just tells it to wait until you actually click on it to open. If you prefer a cleaner interface, Windows has a built-in menu for this too. Hit your Windows key and type Startup. As you can see, this gives us a similar view to do the same thing. So we can sort by name, status, or startup impact, and instead of right-clicking to disable or enable, it's just a toggle to switch on and off. You want to switch off things like Spotify, Steam, or browser helpers. But of course, you want to keep the important stuff like your audio drivers or antivirus turned on. And that's it. Give your computer a quick restart and you should notice a much snappier entrance to your desktop. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe so others can find it too. Thanks for watching and enjoy that extra speed.